Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Zilch card step by step. First, open the Zilch app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, please install it from your device's app store and sign in or create an account. You'll need to enter your details: name, address, email, and phone number, and you may need to verify your identity. Next, you'll need to link a debit card to your Zilch account. In the app, go to My Account or Account Details, then choose Add or Connect a Debit Card. Enter your card information and follow any prompts to confirm. This is required in order to use your Zilch card. Once the debit card is linked, you then need to enable or activate your Zilch card for shopping. In the app, you will see options like Enable Card or Enable Your Card under the Settings or in the Payment section. For example, there is guidance to tap Enable Card, then proceed to shop. If you want to use your Zilch card for a deal or a partner store, you may need to select the type of purchase in the app, such as online or in-store. Search for the store, choose your payment option, and then the card will be enabled for a limited time. After enabling the card, you can use it at checkout like any other card, either online or in-store depending on what you selected. Thanks for watching.